Hi, I'm back. Kamusta? Okay, so we'll do another 30 minutes. We'll be finished by 4:45 so that meron tayong allowance time for the video or for the recording to convert and to save the file. Okay? So, ganun. Naririnig ako? Naririnig na ako?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Continue na lang natin yung
Opo, sir.
discussion. We'll be finished by 4:45. We'll try to finish everything by 4:45 so that I will still have time to download our recording. Kasi tinatapos ko ng maaga kasi yung recording nung subject natin. Ano yon? Um, Nagko-convert pa siya. Inaantay ko pa siyang mag-convert. Okay? So, nakita nyo, after ng week 5 and 6, ay, ito. After ng 1, 2, and 3, meron kayong performance task. Nakita nyo ba yon, class? Nakita nyo ba yung performance task?
Opo.
O,
Nakita po.
sasagutan nyo yan Sasagutan nyo yan. Tapos, click kayo dito sa grades. Tignan nyo yung score nyo. Okay? Click lang sa grades. Tapos tignan yung score. Tapos, go back. Balik tayo. So, meron ng performance task. Tapos, week 5 and 6. Week 5 and 6. Okay, merong long quiz number 1. Tapos, 7, 8, and 9, written work 1, tsaka long quiz 2. Okay? So, bali 4. Bali 2. Kailangan yung matapos tong 2, tong performance task, tsaka tong long quiz 1. Okay? Tong long quiz 1. Tatapusin natin tong 5 and 6 hanggang sa isang linggo. Kasi hanggang next week pa tayo hanggang 22. Hanggang 22 pa tayo. Okay? Okay? Okay, I'd like you to listen to the presentation. Okay? Please listen to the presentation. Okay? This is not a presentation. This is just a slide. Okay? Mm. Okay, so this part of our lesson, week 5, talks about research project related to daily life. Okay, so how is a research project useful, related, and even essential to a person's daily life? Okay, can somebody read number 1 and 2? Number 1 and 2. Every day, can I call somebody?
Volunteer, sir.
Sige, volunteer. Jonaline. Jonaline Iguban. Everyday life. Jonal
Everyday life is a methodology which examines and uncovers the realization of daily life and how they are communicated and interpreted by an observer and or a participant.
Okay. Number 2, everyday life.
Everyday life is a participatory action research method embedded in people and situations.
Okay, always remember class that research, there are a lot of possibilities when it comes to a research project. Just by looking at our daily life, just by looking at our daily life, you can see problems, you can see new discoveries, you can see new problems, you can see new problems waiting to be uncovered, waiting to be researched about just by dealing with our daily life. Always remember those things. 3 and 4, pakibasa. 3 and 4, sino? Yung nagtataas ng kamay. Daniela. Daniela. Everyday life, research focus. Daniela, you're raising your hand. Anybody? Okay, can I call on? Can I call on Jasmine Micaela? Jasmine Micaela, read num-
Sir?
read number 3 and number 4. Everyday
Sige po. Everyday life research focuses on the details and seemingly insignificant occurrences that collectively contribute to how a situation, phenomenon, incident is interpreted and experienced. Exploring everyday life requires the researcher to focus on details, connections, and associations between emergent and repetitive themes.
focus equally on sameness.
Focus equally on sameness and difference. What happened today that did not happen yesterday, and how that influences the research topic or focus, and make comparisons between the researcher's experience and the topic being studied.
Okay, remember that. Okay, always remember that. We are more. We may appear different, we different with other people, with other races, but in some cases we are similar. Okay, we are similar. So these differences and this sameness can be um, an influence on possible research topic that we may have in the future. Okay, always try to remember those things. Okay, next. Yung pagkakaiba at pagkakapare-pareho natin, this will influence or nakakaapekto ito sa mga research project na nangyayari ngayon sa bansa, sa ating mundo ngayon o sa ating community. Next. Pakibasa nga. Okay, can I call on Jean Alec, Jean Alec Boticario? Everyday life is often written.
Everyday life is often written in a first or third hand person voice and relies on rich descriptions, sharp detail, creative construction, and comparative analysis.
Next. This approach.
This approach is useful in analyzing qualitative data because it requires the researcher to consider and negotiate ubiquitous themes that occur in everyday life from work to play.
Okay. And last one, ito tapusin mo na. Everyday
Everyday
life.
life as a research approach encourages diversity. It is widely used among marginalized groups to privilege their personal perspectives and viewpoints that might otherwise be silenced or misinterpreted.
Okay. So always remember, class, that we the planet or the world that we are living in, including the community that we are living in, are so diverse. When we call about it's diverse and it is complex, there are a lot of things that needs to be discovered. Why is that? Ba't hindi pa naiimbento yung gamot sa cancer? Bakit hindi pa naiimbento yung gamot sa HIV or sa AIDS? Bakit there are still lot of people suffering from different diseases? Okay, always remember those things that everyday life is a research approach that encourages diversity. Okay? So, magkakaiba man tayo, magkakapareho tayo sa ibang bagay, magkakaiba tayo sa ibang bagay. These things are what? Okay, these things can be studied under research. Okay, purpose of the research title. Purpose of the research title. Anybody? Tawag naman tayo ng lalaki. Si John Dave Gueco. John Dave. Okay, how important is a research title? John Dave. John Dave. John Dave Gueco. Okay, we have Kaito Sato. Kaito. How important is a research title when doing a research? Okay, it's Kaito. Anybody? Okay.
Sir, no sir. Ano po yun, sir? Sorry, nakatulog.
The title embodies.
The title embodies substantive words or keywords or
Phrases that
that
describe.
describe one research study. Ito
And
pang isa, sir.
the title must
The
also.
title must also reflect the variables under study.
Okay, so so purpose of research title, class, in a movie, di ba? In a movie or every time you read a book or you read something, okay, one of the most important thing that you must consider is the research title. It talks about a lot about what is being studied. Okay? For example, here I have, dito sa upuan ko, may nakalagay, quality of services inside the Iloilo Rehabilitation Center. So through the title, alam ko na yung pag-aaralan ng mga researcher ay ang rehabilitation center. Saang rehabilitation center? Sa Iloilo. Okay, rehab sa Iloilo. Ano naman tungkol sa rehab sa Iloilo? Quality of services. O maayos ba ang pagpapatakbo ng rehabilitation center? Quality of services inside the Iloilo Rehabilitation Center. Okay, so that's it. That's how important the title is. It tells us what variables are being or understudied. Okay, variables, these are the factors. Okay, facts which are involved in what? In doing the research project. Okay, and next, formulate. How do we formulate a research title? Okay, okay. Okay. So I have here a research title. In developing your research title, you need to have independent variables and dependent variables. Okay? Okay. So let's have a sample title. Okay, let's have a sample title. Train delay, academic dilemma of young commuters of LRT. Okay, ang independent variable dito is yung train delay. Okay, independent variables are factors or stimuli that directly affects or cause or changes to the independent variables. Okay? So, train delay. So, ang dependent variable natin dito is academic dilemma of young commuters of LRT. O yung mga pumapasok sa school, yung mga sumasakay ng LRT, nagkakaroon ba sila ng problema? Okay. So, ang independent variable natin dito, yung pagka-delay ng train. Okay, yung pagka-delay ng train, yung dependent variable natin, okay, ang dependent variable natin nakadepende siya, nakasalalay siya dun sa train delay ay yung pagkakaroon ng problema or academic dilemma ng mga nagko-commute na mga estudyante. Okay. So ang title natin, Train Delay, Academic Dilemma of Young Commuters of LRT. Sige nga. Do you have any idea on how can you do this research? How can you do this research? Do you have any idea, class? Paano? Paano malalaman? Do you have any idea how can we conduct this research? Paano ma-measure yon? Anong gagamitin natin? Quantitative or qualitative? Anybody? Anong gagamitin natin? We will be doing, nandyan pa ba kayo? Hello?
Opo, sir.
Ba't si Kaito na lang yung sumasagot?
Yes, sir.
Andyan pa
Nandito po
kayo?
kami, sir.
Sige.
Opo,
Okay.
sir.
Ang tanong ko, what possible research method can you do in order to measure the academic dilemma of young commuters of LRT? My question is it quantitative or qualitative? Kapag academic dilemma, academic problems of young commuters of LRT1. Ano? Is it quantitative or qualitative? If it's more on experience, based on experience, your facts will be based on experience. It is qualitative. Okay, qualitative qualitative. Next, selfie. The status quo of millennials in the Philippines. Okay. The status quo of millennials in the Philippines. Ang independent variable natin dito is selfie. Selfie, pag si selfie, 'di ba when you take a picture of yourself using your cell phone, that is a selfie. Ano naman yung dependent variable? Yung nakadepende sa selfie. Okay, the present situation or the status quo of millennials in the Philippines. Okay. Remember these things, independent and dependent variables in constructing or in formulating your research title. Okay, may tanong? May tanong? Okay, let's continue. Last 10 minutes na lang tayo. Okay. Okay, identifying the inquiry. Okay, we're done with this. Okay. Tapos na tayo dyan. So, you can ask yourself 4 questions. You can ask yourself 4 questions on how you can what? On how you can do your research. Okay? You can ask yourself what would be the purpose of your research? What's the reason why are you doing the research in the first place? Okay? So our perspective is our what? Is our daily life. Okay, as it becomes a study of social interaction in a natural environment that shows extraordinary happenings while situating the ordinary events of life. Oh, how do you do research ba? How do you do research? You find something extraordinary to the ordinary. Okay? O, di ba? Araw-araw, pumapasok yung mga estudyante, sumasakay sa LRT, o all of why not make a study out of that? 'Di ba? O pwede ring all of a sudden nagbakasyon nung March. All of a sudden nagbakasyon nung March, and then from April to December and onwards, all students were required to do or to have their classes online. What could be the effect to the students? Do they learn? Do they learn? Natututo ba sila? Natututo ba sila when they do online class? What are the problems being encountered? Lahat ba may internet? Lahat ba may strong connection? O do you enjoy online class? Or which is better? What do you like better? Which do you prefer? Online class or face-to-face class? Okay. So number 1, pakibasa nga yung tanong. Anybody? Do you intend to convince? Kelly Andrea? Kelly, pakibasa nga. Do you intend? Kelly?
Do you intend to convince the people about the practices which would lead them to make their own judgment based on the data presented in your study?
Okay. So you may want to convince other people about the practices which we could lead them to make their own judgment on the data presented on your study. For example, how can we give an example when people are being convinced about the practices? So you may, for example, 'di ba kapag nagko-commercial ng sabon, 'di ba? Oh, gamitin niyo 'to, 'di ba? Gamitin niyo 'to, mas mabilis magpaputi ng damit. Oh, they do research on that. Okay? Okay, next. Pakibasa nga ito, itong 3 na 'to para matapos na tayo. Princess Jerica. Princess Jerica. Princess. Princess. Princess, wala si Princess. Wala si Princess. Si ano na lang. Iha, favorite ko to si Jean Alec Boticario. Boticario, pakibasa nga tong 3.
Do you intend to discuss issues which would allow people to decide and act on the results of the research? Do you intend to analyze incidents by determining the causes and effects or the nature of the condition? Do you intend to explain interventions done to treat the affected data in order to see other outcomes?
Okay, do you intend to convince? Do you intend to discuss? 'Di ba? Do you intend to convince? Mag-convince ka ng mga tao? Do you intend to discuss a certain topic or on the result of the research? Do you intend to analyze? Or do you intend to explain interventions? Okay? So pili lang kayo dyan. Convince, discuss, analyze, and explain. Okay. So, always remember these four questions, purpose of research. So, do you have any more questions before we end? Do you have any more questions? So we'll continue with this tomorrow. I will inform everybody ha if I will be replaying the lesson natin today for tomorrow. For tomorrow sa mga hindi nakapanood, or I will just proceed with our discussion. Kung itutuloy natin o i-replay natin yung nangyari ngayon. So yung 25 na pumasok ngayon, possible na pwede nyo nang hindi panoorin yung lesson tomorrow kung i-repeat ko siya, kung i-replay ko siya. Pero I will inform you kung magre-replay tayo or I will provide another set of lesson. Okay, may tanong ba bago tayo matapos? Okay, may tanong ba? May tanong ba? Thank you dito sa 25 na pumasok today. Okay. Si Kelly Drew. Si Kelly Drew hindi maka-join. Sige, let us see each other again tomorrow. Let's see each other again tomorrow. Let's call it a day, everybody. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
See you again
Bye, sir.
tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.